The Los Angeles fire started on January 10th, 2025, and it is still burning. The fire is very large and many people are scared. The graphic design of the space shuttle displayed ruins of a country school on the space slogan. A big fire is happening in Los Angeles, California. Many people are worried about it because it is spreading fast. The fire is burning in the hills of Los Angeles, close to the city. The cause of the fire is not clear, but experts say it could be due to dry weather, strong winds, and hot temperatures. The fire started in the early morning hours, and the smoke is so thick it can be seen from far away. Firefighters are working hard to stop the fire, but it is very difficult. They are using water trucks, helicopters, and planes to fight the fire. Many homes in the area are in danger. Some of the homes burning are very expensive, belonging to famous people, celebrities, and business leaders. The fire is destroying these beautiful homes. Some famous actors, musicians, and athletes live in the affected areas. One of the neighborhoods impacted is Beverly Hills, where many celebrities reside. Fire is burning parts of Beverly Hills and other well-known areas of Los Angeles. People are leaving their homes because it is not safe. Some are staying with friends or in hotels. The fire is not just burning homes, it is also destroying trees, plants, and wildlife. Many animals are losing their habitats. Firefighters are doing their best to save both people and animals from the fire. As the fire grows larger, it is affecting many parts of the city. Roads are closed and people are being advised to stay indoors. The air is full of smoke, making it hard to breathe. Mike, people with breathing problems are especially at risk. Authorities are urging everyone to wear masks if they need to go outside. The fire has been ongoing for days, and it's difficult to predict when it will end. Firefighters are working day and night to control it. Some areas have been evacuated, and the residents are anxiously waiting for news about when they can return home. The damage caused by the fire is immense. Many people are worried about the losses. The environmental damage is also significant. Experts predict that it could take weeks to fully contain the fire. Firefighters are doing everything they can to prevent it from spreading further. The fire is not only affecting local residents but also tourists. Some tourists have had to evacuate their hotels due to the fire. Los Angeles, a popular tourist destination, is now being avoided by many because of the danger. People are helping by donating money and supplies to the victims. Many organizations are asking for donations to support those who have lost their homes. The local community is coming together to assist the firefighters and the people in need. The fire has also caused power outages. Many homes and businesses have lost electricity, making it even harder for people to stay safe. Without power, it's difficult to keep cool or charge phones to stay in touch with family and friends. In areas hit hardest by the fire, many homes have been destroyed. Rebuilding will take time, and some people have lost everything they owned. Firefighters from across the country have come to Los Angeles to help. It's a massive team effort to control the fire. This disaster serves as a reminder of the dangers of wildfires in California. This is not the first time Los Angeles has faced large fires. Experts warn that the hot weather and dry conditions in the region make it easier for fires to start. People are being urged to be cautious and prepared for future wildfires. As the fire continues, many are asking what can be done to prevent such disasters in the future. Some believe the government should do more to prevent fires, while others think people need to be more careful about how they live near forests and hills. Firefighters have saved many lives, but the fire remains dangerous. It's crucial for everyone to stay informed. Authorities are advising people to follow the news and listen to local guidance. They need to know what to do if the fire gets closer to their homes. The strong winds are making it difficult for firefighters to control the fire as they push the flames into new areas. As the fire spreads, more people are worried about what will happen next. While this fire is a devastating disaster, it has also shown the strength of the community. Local groups are working together to support those affected. Volunteers are helping care for displaced animals, and people are donating food and supplies. In the coming weeks, the focus will shift to cleaning up the damage. It will take time to rebuild homes and businesses. Los Angeles will need support from across the country to recover from this disaster. This fire is a reminder of nature's power, but it also highlights the resilience of the people of Los Angeles. They are doing everything they can to get through this difficult time. Many are praying for the fire to stop and for everyone to stay safe. If you enjoyed this story, please like, subscribe, and share.